guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let me tell you something. I think it looks pretty good. This thing cranked all the way up right now. It rides pretty stiff. We'll be focusing on the banana ram today, however. I'm just super stoked with this. Diesel. I cranked those links down the front just a hair. It was 5 full turns, which I don't know what that equates to. I absolutely forget. However, you know, tune it down a little bit, hopefully give us a softer ride. Also ordered something for this that's gonna really pull this whole thing together. Just wait and see. So that's love this truck. We added fog lights to this banana ram a long time ago, and I still have not wired them in because we don't have the other half of this harness. This is just a standard jumper harness that goes from one fog light to another. I don't have the other end of it, so today we're actually gonna make one. This could be my first harness I've ever made. We did a little online shopping here, and on Amazon we picked up the cloth tape. You know, the cloth tape that comes on all of our harnesses. Yes. All 3 of them are here. So we're gonna have our heated wheel, our seats up front are gonna work, our seats in the rear are gonna work, and the LEDs underneath the seats should work in the rear as well. We have them all ready for our interior swap. I'm honestly just waiting on a few products from Jack's Wax so I can clean and recondition the Longhorn interior I bought. I'm gonna clean, recondition it. I gotta do a couple things to a few door panels, you know, get them cleaned up. And then we'll be able to swap that in there, but I don't want to put it in there just to clean it after the fact. I'm going to clean it and then put it in. So, and I also ordered a couple parts that I'm going to need to complete the interior swap, so I'm waiting on those as well, along with my clock spring. How to get a new clock spring so the heated steering wheel will work. But today we actually got some awesome fog light bulbs from our friends over at Diode Dynamics. They got some awesome products over there. Always running sales and stuff as well, but they got high quality and just awesome lighting. Here are the SLF LED fog light bulbs. These are going to be your white. I went with white, not stock, and I didn't go with yellow. See, that's funny. Right here, yellow. Subaru. LOL. Typical. Anyway, but we went with the white LEDs that are really going to complement those Alpha Rex heads. So we're going to be installing these today, and we're going to be making our harness right now. I've never made a harness before. I got these connectors, you know, the standard ones you'd see like fog lights and stuff, but I got those, and I also got these. I think we're going to run this today. I got the 4-pin connectors already out. Like you saw down here, guys, we're actually going to have to rewire this, so I'll come down here, pop these pins out and rewire this into our other connectors so they match. Honestly, we'll run it up, we'll tap into our fuse box, and then our switch inside the cab already works, ready to go, so it already sends power to these wires. I just gotta finish the other side of it. But ain't nothing to it, guys. Let's get to it. actually kind of super proud of myself. That's my first harness I've ever made. I've never made a harness, and I think it turned out pretty darn sweet. As you see, we cut off the connector that came with our jumper harness because, to be honest, I'm no genius in this stuff, but I don't know all the numbers and names for these connectors, so just the random, you know, pin connector wiring kit from Amazon, I had to match the male and the female. So this, I don't even know where you can buy the factory ones with the flat prongs, but if I do, maybe someday I will. Next step was getting our harness ran up into the engine bay here, and where we're going to tap in is underneath the glove box. Ram 1500s and 2500s are the same. There's this plug right here. You can see these two wires right here, the yellow white and the orange white. Those are our fog light wires. There is, if you can see here, they're just, you know, dummy plugs in that end of the harness because this truck did not come with fog lights. However, the power supply is still here in our truck via Alpha OBD. Thinks it's got fog lights, and if I hit the switch, it sends current to these wires, but doesn't go anywhere because they're not connected. But now that our harness is here, we're gonna run it up here, and pretty much we gotta tap into these two wires. There's two ways you can do this. You could tap in on this side of the plug, or you can find the factory pins and pin it into that plug. Both of which will work, really doesn't matter. I'm actually gonna tap into the wires and not find the pins, because again, I don't have the pins, but I'm gonna tap in, solder, and get this all heat shrink and wrapped up, and we'll be in business. And then our two ground wires, just go to your factory ground right here. This fuse box down in here, though, you can see it bolts to the like frame rail here. You can run the harness behind it, and it goes straight underneath the fuse box. So that's how you get your harness underneath it. You don't got to do it, and you don't got to drill any holes or anything. You could just run it around and in. You got me stone cold. Wizard of Oz can't undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chance? Alright guys, so after that super clean install here, like I said, the harnesses ran up. I gotta get underneath there, zip tie it out of the way of everything, but ran up around underneath the box, and you tap into those wires, and then attach your ground right there. Super simple, super easy. I thought it was gonna be like something crazy and a pain. Even making that harness for the first time, like I was like dreading it, but super easy and actually kind of fun. So if we come in here, turn our key on, turn our headlights on, hit the fogs, they should be on. And I didn't push the button enough. There we go. They should be on, and oh baby, yes they are. So we got both fog lights working now. Only problem is they are not white. Now I did actually coordinate the correct wires to each side of the fog light. So my jumper harness, this side had a yellow wire, and this side had a red wire. On the harness I made, I coordinated the pins to match as well. So this side of the harness I made had the yellow wire, and this side of the harness had the red wire coming all the way up here into the box. The yellow and white the yellow and white wire. Yes, the yellow and white wire was for the left side of the vehicle, and then the orange and white wire was for the right side of the vehicle. So wasn't really orange, but it was red. So red went to orange and yellow went to yellow. And I don't know if it would work if you just went in there and flip and flopped them. I don't know, but I just did it correctly just because. So here are our beautiful Diodynamics LED fog lights here. And because this is a Ram and the whole CAN bus system and all that, Fiat vehicles, baby, we got the anti-flicker modules as well. Alpha Rex has them built into the headlights, but this is needed for the fogs. Even the LED license plate lights. have little anti-flicker modules too. These new vehicles don't like LED lights for some reason, even though they should. So guys, not only do we have fog lights now, we have fog lights that match the Alpha Rex heads with that 5000K ice white looking light. And yes, it is quite bright. But this is really gonna help us tie this whole front end together. Yes, we still have to do the lollipop red light bar. Yes, I decided on going lollipop red with it. We still need to do that. I may be doing some powder coating here soon / in the next couple videos. I want to get that done. The diff cover's done. What else here? Just a couple odds and ends things. Got to get some powder coating done on that. But not only will, obviously that will be white, this will be white, that's white. Our Alpha Rex, no, our Boost Auto Parts mirrors are here. Honestly, waiting on a 220 outlet in here so I can bring my compressor over here. We're also going to swap those cab lights out. We're going to put white LEDs in there. This is the first truck I'm ever doing the whole white light combination thing on it. And I think this color really fits it well. And all ice white lighting, legitimately, it's got to happen. So like I said, our Boost Auto Parts mirrors will have switchbacks that will have white running lights. And then our cab lights obviously will be white running lights as well. The tradesman that's slowly growing up to be a Longhorn. This was something that this truck needed the day I bought it. And we finally got it. The factory bumper with no fog lights, it is a little bit longer. Didn't look as sporty, didn't look as clean. So obviously adding the fog lights for more than one reason. These Diodynamics bulbs, LED fog light, anti-flicker module, all comes in a package. And super simple there. Look at that fog light, baby. Also, my hoopty iPhone charger, because it don't have any place anymore because it's missing, but that'll all change soon. Oh, guys, we did it. We freaking did it, guys. Oh, baby. This thing is stunting. Oh, shoot. Look at that. Oh, baby. That looks so freaking good, guys. Oh, my God. That literally looks so freaking sweet. Honestly, it's going to look so good with the white cab lights and the white mirrors. Just in due time, guys. It's coming. Don't you worry. Oh, that looks great. It looks good. Fog lights look so good.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, you can order whenever you're ready.
5 nacho fries and 5 crunchy tacos. I gotta figure out these LED lights. That was not supposed to go like that. If I did this and I open, there we go. Guys? Ah, come on. Freaking A. Anyway. Aha! The nacho fries are back. And in fact, they are. So I had to swoop some of those up because, damn, they're good. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. And he's gone. So, guys, anyway, the Banana Ram is coming together so well. Honestly, oh, it's better than I imagined. Just driving home now, I pictured this thing with the Kelderman lift on it, our wheels just rolling down the road, and I'm like, oh, this thing is gonna be bitchin' in its own way. It's gonna look so good. I honestly can't get over it. Well, guys, welcome back to the driveway while we're here. Hellcat, chilling. Snowy. Green Ram, chilling. Freezing. Got icicles dripping off of it. But guys, in moments like this and seeing how far this thing's come, I just can never forget where I started, and starting like here and even in the shop in Columbus. I just want to thank you all for your support during all this and through all this. We got a lot of big things coming, a lot of different changes and awesome additions and just new ventures in this channel, in this whole journey, and I can't wait to bring that to you guys, and things I can offer to you guys, and a whole slew of things in general. So I want to thank you guys for your support. If you guys enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. While you're down there, tap the notification bell, click all so you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Drop me a comment. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Update, these nacho fries, yeah, they're bitching too. These are so good, oh my god. See you guys. See you guys next time.